Good afternoon and welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in. Let's begin with the top breaking update that we are getting for our viewers, and this is coming across as a setback for Congress leader Pawan Khera with regards to the Supreme Court now that has refused to grant him any protection as from the extension of his transit bail is now concerned, Pawan Khera, who faces this police case in Guwahati over remarks against Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma's wife, and specifically about her passport and family property disclosures. And the court, in fact, has now directed Pawan Khera to file an anticipatory bail plea in Guwahati High Court, while also asking the forum not to be influenced by its own observations in this hearing. And Pawan Khera was also, in a way, reprimanded, but this is now coming at a time when there is still no relief coming in the way for the Congress leader. Now, this case that follows after a press briefing that Pawan Khera did in the run-up to the Assembly elections, where he had raised certain allegations against the Chief Minister's wife holding passports from other countries, where he had also dragged in the Chief Minister's name in this. But this development is coming in from the Supreme Court, which is now refused to extend the transit bail for Congress leader Pawan Khera, who is facing this police case in Guwahati over the remarks that he made. And now what is being said on part of the court, which is now directed Pawan Khera to file an anticipatory bail plea in the Guwahati High Court instead. Well, Kritika, supreme setback for the Congress leader.
Absolutely, Amita. In fact, remember, Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Assam Chief Minister, had also been very clear that he will ensure that appropriate action is taken against Mr. Pawan Khera of the Congress party. Earlier also, he had said that even if it takes to go to Patal to get him, he will do that. So, of course, the BJP line here is very clear that they are all guns blazing as far as the allegations made by Mr. Pawan Khera are concerned. However, remember that even now the Congress High Command is also behind Mr. Pawan Khera. We've also had Rahul Gandhi in the recent times also back Pawan Khera as well. So we're also expecting, it will be very interesting to see what steps the Congress party also takes as the national line as well. For as far as Mr. Pawan Khera is also concerned, he has so far only received, in fact released one video statement that was on the day after his house was raided by the Assam police as well. The searches went on. As per the Assam police, incriminating evidence has also been in fact retrieved. There were laptops, phones as well as a pen drive, all of which Mr. Pawan Khera has denied to be possible evidence. He said that the phone was that of his late sister, and the devices also has not been used in fact a lot of time, and does not have the possibility of having any sort of incriminating details. Remember, these are not just the allegations for which Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma's wife, Riniki Bhuya Sharma, went to and filed the defamation case with the Assam police as well, with the special cell there. But these are also now fresh allegations that have been made by Pawan Khera following this. There were, in fact, images of properties in Dubai that was floated around by the Congress party, which again were in fact countered by a version of Himanta Biswa Sarma, which said that these are very much available, in fact, on Google itself.
So as far as extending his transit bail is concerned, that has now been denied by the Supreme Court. And as far as his previous relief is concerned, that was granted by the Telangana High Court, that expires today. And however, he's free to now approach the Guwahati High Court. That is coming in from the Supreme Court of the country. For the moment, thank you very much.